As a tech, I'm often asked, how many solar panels do I need to run my TV, air conditioning, lights, fans, or etc.? The answer is pretty much the same. If you know the wattage of each of those appliances, you can determine how many solar panels you would need to power them. Understanding the relationship between the energy a solar panel produces and the energy your items consume becomes very easy once you understand the difference between energy and wattage. Wattage is merely a measurement of power, but energy is measurement of power over time, given as watt hours. Now let's break down watt hours for your panels and various needs. Let's say you have a TV that's 65 watts and you want to watch it for approximately 10 hours. To calculate the energy draw, all you would need to do would be multiply the 65 watts by the 10 hours to get 650 watt hours. Now how much energy will a 100 watt panel provide? The amount of peak solar hours in your area is highly dependent on what state you live in. California, for example, receives about 5 to 7 peak solar hours a day. If you took a 100 watt panel and multiplied it by 5 peak hours, you can get 500 watt hours of energy produced. However, please note this doesn't take into consideration efficiency losses due to inclement weather, obstruction on the panel, or any other similar such occurrences. To determine the energy consumed, you need to divide 650 watt hours consumed by 500 watt hours produced by your solar panels. This would give you a need of 1.3 solar panels. Now 100 watt solar panels can't be sold in thirds, so you would need to round that up to 2 solar panels total. Based on this calculation, if you wanted to run a 65 watt TV for 10 hours, you would need a total of 200 watts of solar panels in California. To view the next video about off-grid components, please click the link ahead. To rewatch any of the information we covered in this video, please click the replay button down below. Thank you and have a sunny day.